A Woman's Guide to Losing Weight by Eating More Like a Man. Lately, some fitness magazines have been encouraging women to eat more like men. Whether you're trying to lose weight or stay healthy, it could be good advice. Although most men and women don't fit into neat stereotypes, there are tendencies worth considering. Take a look at some manly eating habits you may want to adopt, and some nutritional issues that are especially important for women. Tips for eating more like a man. Plan out your salads. Many salads are less than healthy. Practice portion control with ingredients like cheese and bacon bits. Nuts and seeds are excellent for turning a salad into a meal, but they're also high in fat. If the salad bar is low on healthy options, you may be better off ordering a sandwich instead. Select lean proteins. Proteins are an essential part of your diet, even when you're trying to take off excess pounds. Shop for lean cuts of meat. Eat more fish and beans. Dress up your vegetables. Dig in if you love plain, raw broccoli. Otherwise, a few tweaks will make it easier to swallow the recommended amounts of vegetables and fruits. Drizzle olive oil on mushrooms or dip your carrots in low-fat yogurt. Drink alcohol in moderation. Cocktails are empty calories. Trade in a 500-calorie margarita for a light beer. Limit yourself to no more than one drink a day. Replace water loss. On the other hand, your body needs plenty of water, especially while you're working out and sweating. Carry a steel water bottle with you at the gym. Fill up. Eat before you get hungry and try to stay full. Extremely low-calorie diets could be making you fatter by putting your body into starvation mode. Talk with your doctor if you need to lose a large amount of weight. Master quick recipes. Find a middle ground between microwaving instant noodles every night and spending hours in the kitchen. Stir fries let you dine well in 10 minutes or less. Fire up the grill. Men seem to do the barbecuing in most families. Get in on the action. Grilling is a great way to add flavor and control fat. Minimize your taste testing. If you prepare most of the meals in your home, you may be consuming more food than you think while cooking and cleaning up. Keep track of how much you nibble while cooking. Enjoy your food. Think of food as your friend. It tastes good and fuels your body. Important nutritional issues for women. Deal with emotional cravings. Many studies show that women are more vulnerable to emotional eating. Keep a journal to spot your triggers and change your habits. Consume fewer calories. Women usually need fewer calories than men, due to their smaller size and higher body fat. On average, the discrepancy amounts to about a few hundred calories a day. Supplement your iron. Women need much more iron during the years they menstruate and when they're pregnant. Ask your doctor about iron supplements. Manage pregnancy-related weight gain. Women typically gain 25 to 35 pounds while expecting. Plan on getting back to your usual size within a few months of having your baby, or else those pounds may keep adding up over your lifetime. Protect your bones. Bone loss accelerates during menopause. Start building up your bones while you're young. You can build up those bones with weight-bearing exercises and a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Celebrate the best of both worlds. Savor your food like a man and give your body the nutrients every woman needs at various stages of life. Maybe men and women aren't so different after all. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.